Alright guys, we made it to Epcot today. We're going to be doing a couple reviews, couple POVs.
On the different rides.
Okay, we're going to check out the cool stuff Epcot has to offer.
Biergarten for dinner.
Do some updates. The Club Cool area and the Fountain View where the Starbucks were are now completely being renovated. I'm going to try to get a nice little shot over the wall to see what's going on over there. We made it here to Test Track, and surprisingly, wait time, you can't see it, it's only 30 minutes, only a 30-minute wait time, and single rider is only a 10-minute wait. Alright guys, here's a little update of the new Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster. There's crewmen up top still working on it as we speak. You can kind of see some of the developed pillars on the edges of the building, and a lot of work going on, and looks like it's going to be exciting.
I remember being here in 1982 when there wasn't any attractions and it was just all grass areas. It was beautiful, quiet, and everything's changing so much.
Here on the left side of Test Track, you can see there's some construction going on. This is actually the new space-themed restaurant that's opening up. You can hear Test Track going by. Just hit Test Track, where the fam's moving on to the land. We're gonna live with the land a little bit. Gotta live with the land, people. Get a little lunch, and probably gonna wait out Soarin'. We'll see what the line is. As you can see, guys, Soarin's only 25 minutes. Only 25 minutes. Definitely a slower day here at the end of September. That's the whole fam, guys. They're having a good time. Yep, we got a lot of little kids running around. Crying kids. All of the above. They're the two little ones. That's why we do this. That's why we're out here vlogging. That's why we're out here working. We do it for the kids. Jack, what did you just want to tell the people?
We should show the reality of a day at Disney with a big family, the fighting, the babies crying on the bus, just the everything, you know, the Sandy tripping and falling. Here it is. 25 minutes for Soarin'.
Vin Rider in the house. We're going on Soarin', 25-minute wait. Just wanted to record this, guys. I've never seen it, but there is a new game you can play while waiting in line for Soarin'. I've never seen it before. I'm sure it's been out for a while. Just wanted to show it off. Alright guys, we're here front row on Soarin'.
Front middle.
Front middle row.
Hey, it's Jet Set Johnny, I'm back. Jet Setting Johnny, I'm
Go
back.
follow my TikTok, Jacqueline.mc. Go follow my TikTok, Jason.
Can't vlog in peace.
You want to laugh, follow my TikTok.
That I have 28 followers. I have 28 likes.
Can't vlog in peace.
I have 13.
Anyway, we're front row on Soarin', front middle, and
The new room.
we're in the new room, right? What do they call it?
The new room.
The new future.
The new terminal.
Wait, go follow my TikTok.
Who's next? Go! Here she goes. Well, you're gonna miss
Adeline,
out.
you're not gonna go in the shark?
Mommy's going. Go ahead, Mommy.
You don't want to go in the shark, baby?
Hurry! Mommy's going next. You're gonna miss out. Not bad. Mommy just wanted to get a picture. It's alright. It's only a pretend shark. She didn't want to.
I want to go.
Mommy and Ava did. I'll show you their. There's Mommy and Ava.
Hello. Hi, cutie.
Look at this.
What's up, guys? We're here at the Epcot Living with the Seas, and this is my sister. She's swimming in this tank. She's swimming in the tank. My cousins are there too. There's JC, there's Faith, and Jacqueline, and they're all swimming in the Seas tank. They're swimming in, not me, I'm not certified, but they're all certified scuba divers. Look at them all.
How cool is that? Swimming.
I can't. Pretty cool. My family's swimming in the Living with the Seas, the Nemo, the Friends, whatever you want to call it. They're swimming in the tank. Walking out of the seas with Nemo and Friends. You know, the rumor is, I believe it was 2021 or 2022, that they're knocking down the seas, and they're also knocking down the land. But Soarin' will survive. But the land and the seas with Nemo and Friends will be eliminated. She did. Whoa!
That was so good! Do something, babe!
You guys are matching, baby, your outfit. Huh? Adeline just met Mickey, Goofy, and Minnie. Adeline, tell everyone, what was it like? What was it like to meet Mickey and Minnie and Goofy? Huh?
Yes, it was good.
How was it fun? Food and wine is popping. It's a Friday night, and we're gonna no, we're not gonna party. I don't drink. I quit drinking. But we're gonna ride Frozen with the kids. But yeah, I mean, food and wine is popping. It is popping. But we're going on Frozen. I just wanted to be known that that glacier shot used to be my favorite drink around the world. They used to sell it in Kringla over there, but they got rid of it. The only place you can get it is at the Royal Banquet Hall. Guys, you can't get away from it, Frozen. Still 45 minutes. You excited for Frozen? You are a big girl.
You must bow to the princess. Oh, you want a different one? Okay, different one. Do you want a bigger one or a smaller one?
Big one.
A big one? Ooh, what about this? Ooh! Oh, I put it on. Oh, I the princess now. I am the princess.
Going to Biergarten, and this is hello, and that's my fan. Sorry. All right, guys, we made it into Biergarten. Just sat down. The show has just begun. I'll get some close-up shots a little later, and I'll go look at the buffet. See what looks good.